What is up, YouTubers and YouTubettes? So tonight I'm making dinner for me and my girlfriend. I just caught this salmon. It's a humpy or pink, and so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sweet and sour salmon. That's what I call it. And so I got one orange that I sliced fairly thickly, and then I've got Bullseye Original with lemon pepper. I'm gonna mix Bullseye Original and lemon pepper into a paste. And when I do that, I will be right back. Alright, so you can see it's pretty well a paste. And so now I'm going to take my paste and spread it on my salmon. Alright, so my paste is on there real thick, and something I'd like to point out real quick is that yellow right there, that is orange juice from me cutting the oranges. And so, because I just cut them in there so I didn't dirty up the cutting board. But now I'm just going to put these on here like so. And now these are going to go on the barbecue pot. And I'm on my barbecue now. I've got my heat on medium, as you can see right there. Medium, that being the lowest. And I'm going to cover it up. And this will take about 10 minutes or so to cook. And you'll cook it until the salmon's flaky. So this is my first time checking on it, and you can see I'm at about 360. Boiling away. Other thing you can normally tell with salmon is, see that little pink spot right there where I didn't cover it? A lot of times, like a white, not quite foam, but like a white fat will push out from the meat, and you can see, and that's a good sign of it becoming close to done. Alright, checking on it again. Okay, still a little raw. Get back in there. It's been about 5 more minutes. Oh yeah, it's done. Alright, I'm going to carry this in. Alright, so I served myself up, and one thing I want to point out real quick is this is the tail side here. Guys, always leave the tails for your girlfriend so they don't have to pick out any bones. So dang good. I love this. Anyways, guys, it's that simple. Till next time.